So you're looking for the free option in the best video hosting platform. Well, in this presentation, I'll be going over a list I found on a site called Kinsta.com. Now don't stop the video and go over there and check it out ahead of time because you may not find it. I had to do some searching in order to find it. In this video, you will learn the top 10 best video hosting platforms and how to choose the right one. This is for informational purposes only. Please do your research. Let's begin. Now in this video you're going to notice differences from my previous videos. I have them all blacked out, and one by one I will go ahead and reveal them, and then we'll go into details of it. Now number one, in my opinion, is what I currently am using and what you're watching this on right now, YouTube. So let's go over to YouTube. Okay. So I clicked it, but it took me to a different area off screen. So I'm going to have to now show you on a different screen. I apologize. So I'm going to have to drag it over to let you see. Alright. So as you can see, you can go right here to this link and you can read it for yourself. But basically YouTube is the largest video sharing website. 1.9 billion logged in users active on the site every month. Here's your specifications. Here's your pros. Free unlimited cloud storage for your videos. Industry leading audience building opportunities. Private unlisted options. Can easily embed videos. These are the different YouTubers that are the top at this time. But here's the cons. Basic embedding options. Ads will play automatically. Recommended videos appear at the end of every video. No download options without third-party service. And potential copyright issues. Alright, now on to the next. Daily Motion. Daily Motion. Alright. As it loads with my slow internet. Daily Motion is perhaps the most apparent YouTube competitor on the list, as it aims to be another video sharing platform. There's your specifications. The pros is free unlimited video hosting, option to make videos private, even password protected, some opportunities for audience building with less competition. The cons is smaller total audience than YouTube, smaller max file size, cannot download your videos without third party, ads automatically play before, during, and after. Alright, going on to the next. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and give you the link at the end of this thing so you can go right to all of these yourself. But let's go to the next. Vimeo, to speed along this, Facebook, WordPress, Wistia, VooPlayer, Brightcove, Sprout Video, and the final, Uscreen. Now, each one of these, if you click on them, will take you over to the site. At the end of this video, I want to share this with you. Free affiliate marketing gift for you. Just go to this website right here. You'll be taken over to my website, and in there will be the option to go ahead and get these free items that I have available on my site. Now, as I promised, I'm going to go ahead and go back to where you can find this information. right here. The very top. Okay, and then one more thing. If you would, please refer a friend. Tell them to go to Google and type in Jones Random Knowledge, just as you see. Thanks.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm curious, what made you click this thumbnail and watch this video? Was it the thumbnail? Was it the description? Was it curiosity? Please leave a comment below. I greatly appreciate your feedback. Thank you.
Remember to click the link below for my free ebook of proven successful steps. Be good to others, because God has been good to you. Until the next one, take care.